Hey guys, so in this video I will be unboxing and taking a look at the products that are inside of this month's BoxyCharm, which We Search Beauty was kind enough to start me off with a subscription to BoxyCharm and send me this box, of course, and I got it in the mail yesterday and I haven't looked at it yet, so I am super excited to see what's inside it. So let's just open it up. Okay, so we got, oh man, 'tis the season, and it has a pink flamingo with a Santa hat on it, which just reminds me of All Time Low and Bastille. Mainly my friend Beverly, who at all the Bastille shows she goes to brings a giant inflatable flamingo, and we all just like chill out on it, and it's fun. Oh man, I'm haunted by flamingos from these bands, so this just, wow. But on the back it shows a little list of all the products that were in it, and I'm not gonna look at that just yet. I want to look at the products themselves. So we have from Wander Beauty, the Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette, which I really like the packaging on it. It's very, ooh, reflective. It's very pretty. Ooh, love that aesthetic. Oh, it's so cute. It's very nice for like travel and stuff. It's very compact. All right, and these are the colors, which we have this very nice kind of just nude pink blush called Tuscan Sunrise. That kind of just like blends right into my skin. Almost, you can see it just a little bit. Yeah, Tuscan Sunrise, and then we have Havana Nights, which is a more deeper pink. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I've been needing new blush. I've been traveling back and forth between my grandparents' house and my cousin's house, and my makeup is just split between everything, so it's nice to have another blush on me. And then we have City Lights, which is what I'm assuming the highlighter of it. Looks like a nice golden color. Oh, that's pretty. That's nice if you like a nice understated highlight, which sometimes you gotta have something that's more natural looking, but that still gets the glow. Yeah, you can see that reflect off the light. Ooh, look at that. I feel like I'd use this more for like eyeshadow or something instead of a highlight. And then we have the Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. Ooh, that's nice. In the shade Nude. Ooh, this packaging is so pretty. I love the little heart with the wings on it. That's nice. One thing I noticed immediately about this, the color of it is more of a darker, yeah, it's much more darker, and the texture is very thick on it. So I feel like this would work on like a wider variety of skin tones more than like a lot of other eyeshadow primers work. It just looks like a very dark foundation on me, but I really wonder how that would work on the eyelids. I'll have to try that soon. Which, comparing the two, I put on Havana Nights over the primer on this hand, and this is just the swatch that I did earlier with no primer. So it definitely brings out the color a bit more. I just wonder how long that would stay, like through the night, you know, or if it would crease and all that sort of stuff. So we'll see. And next, ooh, we have the Tartiest Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade Insta Famous. Oh, that's nice. And oh man, I love any kind of lip products, and I love glitter. So, there it is. So this will be fun. Look at her, look at her. And I don't know if y'all can see it that well, but what I see is just, like, it has, like, from a distance, it just looks like kind of a light pink gloss, but not in like an early 2000s type of gloss, you know, like too pink. It's just very neutral, and then you get closer, and when it catches the light, you see little pink and I think some gold sparkles in it. That's nice. That's nice. And then we have from Jaunty Blue, however you pronounce that. I'm sure I'm butchering it, but Oh well. Glittering Star eyeliner. Ooh, lots of glitter. I like that. I wonder if this is specifically for like New Year's. I'm sure it is. Oh no, how am I gonna open this? Here's the next episode of Taylor Struggles to Open Things, featuring press-on nails. I got it. Okay, so let's see. Oh man. Oh man, it just looks like a pencil that just has sparkles in it. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, I really like that. I actually really like that. I feel like it just looks like a swatch of like black eyeliner, but you look closely and you see the little glitter in it. Ooh, ooh, at the very bottom. Hello. Hello, we got. First try. There we go. Protégé by Suva Beauty. Oh, one thing, I really like the packaging. I like the feel. It's very smooth, and oh, well, I got fingerprints all over it. That's nice. I love the artwork here. Very minimalistic. There we are. Okay, we got another one of, ooh, okay. I have to swatch these. I have to swatch these. So I'm gonna do a quick little swatching thing. So let's roll that sleeve up. Okay, so first off we got Era, which is just a light kind of shimmer color. Could be used as a highlighter. Next up, we got Poetic, which is just kind of like a dusty, like almost gray purple color. Like it's very light. And then we have Structure, which is a gorgeous kind of like just a darker pink shimmer. And then next we got Aesthetic. This may have a bit of fallout. Okay, there. So you may want to be a bit careful with that, but like the payoff is incredible. That is super deep. That is gorgeous. And then next we have Tact, which seems just like a regular nude color. Yep. And we have Balance. Ooh, I'm gonna like you. Oh, I do. Oh, this is perfect for fall. Next we have Conscious, which looks to be just a regular matte brown shade. Oof, okay, let me get another bit in. All right, you gotta build it up a bit to get the full payoff, but she's there, she's there. And then last but not least, we have Theory. And that's just a theory. Which it just seems to be like a light, kind of icy pink shimmer. Oh, I like that. And that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd really appreciate it. And of course, if you were interested in getting BoxyCharm for yourself, go check them out. And again, thank you for Research. Thank you to Research for sending this to me and making this entire video possible, so go check them out. They're on all social media platforms and of course, research.com. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye!